Beacons AI email marketing tutorial. Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I will be showing you how to do email marketing on Beacons AI. Beacons AI is a popular link in bio tool, but with it you can also do email marketing. To get started, after you have created your account, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option and select email marketing. From here, you have two options. You can either sell a broadcast email or you could set up an automation. By automation, I mean, like, for example, when someone signs up or someone has purchased a product, you could create a funnel. So for example, you could set up a welcome funnel, and this will basically mean whenever someone signs up, they'll receive this and automatically they'll be captured and they'll be caught in your funnel. So you can do that and you will be able to get recurring purchases as you will be able to build a stronger customer base. You can also create an upsell funnel. You can also use sales nurturing funnel. So whenever someone, for example, goes onto a product and doesn't make a purchase, you will be able to retarget them with the sales nurturing funnel. Or you can use their freebie funnel if you want. Now, if we should go back, and let's say, for example, instead of using that option, so let's say we were to remove this. So I'll delete automation. Let's say, for example, instead of doing that, we were to select broadcast. After selecting broadcast, you can select any one of these templates. Let's say, for example, we were to use this template. So we can tap on preview template and you can see how the newsletter looks. Then you will tap on use template. After selecting use template, you will be redirected to the editor page. On the editor page, you can quickly tap on any section, then go over to the right hand column and you can edit it. So you'll be able to change the headline, description, and also the picture. If you were to tap on this section, again, you can quickly edit the text. You can also tap on the plus, and from there you can add different sections as you can see right there. Once you're finished editing your newsletter, you will tap on send a test in the top right hand corner and you could send a test email. If everything is to your liking, you'll tap on next. From here you can add in a subject line, then you can add in a preview line, and you can continue to add recipients and you could send out your broadcast or your newsletter. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button